In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add commas for thousands separation in Google Sheets. Whether you're drafting spreadsheets for personal use or professional analysis, properly formatted numbers can enhance readability and improve comprehension. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. This could be a new sheet or one you're currently working on. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do that first. Once you've navigated to the Google Sheets application, open the spreadsheet where you want to format your numbers. Now that your spreadsheet is open, identify the cells containing the numbers you want to format. Click and drag your mouse over the desired cells to highlight them. This selection tells Google Sheets which numbers you'll be applying a new format to. If your sheet is large, remember that you can use the scroll bars or arrow keys to make navigating easier as you select your data. Next, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click on the Format menu. This is where you can adjust the appearance of your data, from font size to number formatting. You'll see a drop-down list of options once you click. From this list, look for and click on the Number option, which will extend into a sub-menu. Here, you'll find various presets for formatting numbers, such as currency or percentage. However, for our purpose, we need something a bit more customized. To access the customization options, click on Custom Number Format. This opens a dialog box where you can input your specific formatting needs. It's a flexible feature that allows you to precisely define how your numeric data should appear. In the dialog box, you'll need to enter a special code. Type a pound symbol or hash mark, followed by a comma, and then 3 more pound symbols. It should look like this. Ma-tsao. This code tells Google Sheets to insert a comma after every set of 3 digits, effectively formatting your numbers with thousands separators. Once you've entered this format, click on Apply. This confirmation updates your highlighted cells to the new format you specified. If done correctly, you should now see commas separating each group of 3 digits in your numbers. This not only improves the overall appearance of your spreadsheet, but also makes it easier for you and others to read and interpret large numbers quickly. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted your numbers with thousands separators in Google Sheets. Remember, you can always revisit the custom number format section if you need to tweak your settings or try different formats. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.